everyone, welcome back to the Greater Houston Living channel, where I take you inside the best communities, new construction homes, and neighborhoods that the Houston area has to offer. I'm your host, Porshae Brown, realtor and team lead of SoHue Realty Group here in Texas. So we are talking about one of the most buzzed about communities in the entire South Houston corridor right now. It's called Midline. And y'all, I'm not just talking about it from behind a desk today. We are actually here on site because the Welcome Center literally just opened. And I had to get you inside first. So it's currently March 2026 and Midline's grand opening is coming up in the middle of April. So we are here ahead of the crowd and you are getting an early exclusive look before the ribbon is cut. So if you have not heard about Midline yet, stay locked in for this entire video because this is one that is going to be very, very good. Okay, so what is Midline? Let's start with the basics and look around because what you're seeing right now is the brand new Midline Welcome Center. It is literally right here in the middle of the model home park. It just opened its doors and it's very exciting because the grand opening hasn't happened just yet, but Midline is a brand new large scale master plan community being developed in the southeast area of Houston. And we're talking big. We're talking about 1,000 acres with plans for approximately 2,800 new homes at full build out. This isn't a small pocket subdivision. This is a full lifestyle destination being built from the ground up. And with a grand opening planned for mid-April, so the fact that we're standing here in March getting a first look at this Welcome Center before the public grand opening, that's a big deal. And then also this level of development is extremely rare for the Webster and Clear Lake area, which is exactly why buyers are already paying close attention. You kind of already see people in and out. And so now we're here for you. So you can come and check it out. Okay, so let's talk about location. Midline, its location is actually one of its biggest selling points because Midline is situated just west of I-45 South, right in Webster, Texas. And for anyone who knows this area, you know Webster is perfectly nestled between some of the most desirable cities in Southeast Houston. We're talking easy access to League City to the south, Friendswood to the west, and then the entire Bay Area, Clear Lake corridor, just minutes away, including Baybrook Mall, Challenger 7 Memorial Park. And for commuters, the access is actually really unmatched. You have quick access to I-45, easy reach to NASA and Space City, Houston, a manageable drive to downtown Houston, and then approximately, I would say from over here, less than 30 minutes for sure from Hobby Airport. So for Houstonians, if you're looking to upgrade, relocate here for work, Midline puts you in a sweet spot and you get that suburban feel with new construction finishes and all the conveniences you need right just around the corner. Let's talk about builders because in a master plan community, who is building your home really matters just as much where it's located. So Midline is expected to feature a strong lineup of well-known Houston builders with early announcements pointing to names like Highland, Perry Homes, Toll Brothers, Brookfield Residential, and y'all, these are some of the most reputable names in the Houston new construction market. Different price points, different square footages, different lot sizes, which also means Midline is going to have options for move-up buyers, growing families, and buyers relocating to the Bay Area and who also wants new construction without sacrificing the location. And one thing that I always tell my clients too is that builder availability, pricing, and incentives will vary based on the phase that they're entering into. So getting in early really does matter. Let's talk amenities and lifestyle. Here's where it gets really exciting. Midline isn't just being built as a place to live, it's being designed as a place to thrive. The planned amenity packages include a central amenity center with a resort style pool, a fitness center, and an event space, co-working and social gatherings, gathering areas, and then also who loves this more than remote people, but also miles of walking and biking trails, neighborhood parks, and green spaces throughout. This is that lifestyle-centered community model that Houston buyers have come to love. Think of the energy of communities like Santera and Katy, did a video on that. Legacy by Hillwood and Legacy City, did a video on that one. And now it's coming to the Webster, League City, and Friendswood corridor, which is really, really exciting. Now let's move on to schools. And for the families watching, this one is for you. Based on the location within Webster, Midline is expected to fall within the Clear Creek ISD boundaries. And if you know anything about this area, you know that Clear Creek ISD is a major draw for families. It's one of the most sought after school districts in the greater Houston metro area. And that said, I always recommend confirming school zones directly with the community sales team because boundaries can vary depending on the exact section of the development. So you've got access to beautiful schools, beautiful new homes, resort amenities in a prime location, and that's a winning combination. Okay, so let's talk timing because this is where it gets really real. Y'all, we're now standing in the Welcome Center, which as of right now, it's March 2026, but the official grand opening isn't happening until middle of April. And that means you are watching this at the perfect time. The doors are literally just opening and the conversation has just now started. And the early buyers are also positioning themselves to get ready to enter in at a really good time and opportunity. And as I always tell my clients, getting in early in a master plan community is a strategic move. And you wanna know why? You get better lot selection, early pricing before appreciation kicks in, and more flexibility with builder incentives to the buyer. Now, by the time that grand opening hits in April and everyone else is rushing in, you could already have your head start. So if Midline is on your radar, the time to move is right now, because after the ribbon cutting, that's when the crowds show up. All right, here we are about to enter into the Welcome Center here at Midline. So let's go check it out. And currently it's like literally in the middle of the model home park. So it does look like a house. All right, so now that we're in here, we are greeted with some beautiful bright colors. So the Welcome Center does house offices. So you have offices and storage rooms. On the left-hand side, this is where the staff is. Super cute. Love all of that. That's on the right-hand side when you enter in. Love it. Gives you a lifestyle feel. Flooring. And up here they have a list of all of the builders that are currently here. So you have Brookfield Residential, Highland Homes, Toll Brothers, Perry Homes, and I'm sure more to come. And again, this is a home that is currently acting as the Welcome Center. Bathroom on the right-hand side. Conference room and space on this side. So all of these are just private rooms. Another office. And as you enter in, there is the opening of the center. So of course, like the little kitchen area. Love the design, that's super cute. So open and welcoming. Okay. I love this. It definitely gives like a cute, modern diner, coffee shop feel. So you'll be able to come here, get resources at the Welcome Center. And they even have this little room for kids. How adorable. So the kids have their own designated little room. Here you are, the Midline community name. Love the design of the display. Okay. And so right here, they have this huge map of what the community is going to look like. So, main points, 2,800 homes, 6 home collections in phase 1, 40 to 70 home sites, Creek ISD, the Midline Club with pool, splash pad, playground, fitness center, and gathering spaces, which do open up in 2027. 275 acres of parks and open space. 14 miles of trails, the line, our signature trail stretching the length of the community with activated trail heads. Let's see, can you see? Sorry, I'm following along. Trail heads for fun and exploration, community parks within a quarter of a mile from every home and situated along the line. And then on-site community life team, which is where they'll be housed in the Welcome Center. And then year-round community events. Let's see. Cool. So this is what I was going off of. Super cool. All right, so we have the community plan right here. Very large scale. Nice. So this greets you in the Welcome Center. It's like a huge island. Super cute design as well. Love that. Here's their little welcome video. We do have the builder contacts already listed and the different builder contacts for each home site is going to be. And then look at this beautiful map too. And a new way to live between. Love that. So here at Midline, we like to say we're very much in the middle of somewhere. With Galveston Bay and downtown Houston, just 20 miles in either direction, Baybrook Mall and Challenger 7 Memorial Park. Brookening our community, places to grab groceries, go out to eat, or get your errands done right up the street, and even more from Creek ISD schools to NASA to airports within each reach. And so they have this beautiful map that shows you downtown Houston, and then all of the different things in between. We're super close to Hobby Airport. Wellington Field, Baybrook Mall, and Midline is right in the middle. And then as you travel down I-45, you hit League City, Texas City, and then here we are at Galveston. So yeah, all of this tells you the distance as well. So the distance from Midline to all of these different places. Very, very informative. Where kids will learn. Midline is proud to be a part of Creek ISD, a school district for grades pre-K through 12 that share our spirit of discovery and exploration. Love that. And nice to meet you. We can't wait for you to see what life is like at Midline. So many good things will be happening here. Love that. Very positive. Awesome. So I'm glad I got a chance to come in as the community is being constructed. It's in its first phase. And then this welcome center literally just opened. So super exciting things. Alrighty guys, catch you in the next video. Now, if you want to learn more about Midline, get on my list for a buyer's consultation. I get to walk you through everything that this community has to offer, and then also just what makes sense for your goals. Drop a comment below, or feel free to schedule that consultation with me so that we can talk all of the things. But of course, thank you guys for always tuning in and logging in to the channel. I love doing these tours. Also love giving you guys resources and information to make the best educated decision for you and your family. And catch me on the next video.